Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create a data disk and attach it to the virtual machine. Okay, so creating a data disk and attaching it to the Azure workload or virtual machine is quite easy. So, uh, what you can do, you can search for the virtual machine first from the top. Select the virtual machine for which you want to add the data disk. Okay, search for the disk here. You can see I have two disks already attached to the virtual machine. That is, one is the operating system disk, here it is mentioned, and another is the data disk that is attached to the main one. I am going to create another disk, okay, and attach. If you want to attach an existing disk, you can directly attach from here, okay, but I am going to create a new one. So I will click on create and I will click on this pencil button to edit. Okay, empty disk. I will select a storage size and type of the disk standard for this demo. I will provide a name, demo data disk, and click on OK. Okay, and I will apply the setting configuration to save. So now the disk is created and it is updating the virtual machine configuration. Now you can see the virtual machine has another disk at loon 0, that is 32 GB standard SSD. Okay, so I'm going to power on this virtual machine. Let's wait for a few seconds. So VM is started successfully. Let's copy the IP address. Try to take the ID. Okay. So since this is a Windows virtual machine, uh, we need to go to the okay. So before going to the disk management, I will show you. We have only two disks now. Okay, one is the operating system, one is the app drive, that is the data disk, and this is the temporary drive, which is used by a process, multiple process, or temporary as a temporary disk. Okay, so let's go to the disk management of the Windows operating system. Okay. Now you can see that is this is the OS disk. This is the data disk that I am already using. That is app drive, and the new disk is this one. I will make it online. Click on online. Okay. Now initialize the disk. I will use GPT. I will right click on it. Next, I will use the whole disk uh, size, and I will format it to be inclusive. Okay. Quick format. Make sure you check this box, quick format, else it is going to take time. Now it is done, and we have E drive also. So you can see we have another disk E. Okay, E drive. So that's it. This is how we can attach a disk in the Azure Virtual Machine running Windows Server or Windows Desktop, and format it using the NTFS to use it. Okay, please like the video and subscribe the channel.